Plants. How to use coffee fertilizer for plants. Today I will show you how to use liquid coffee fertilizer for your plants. How to use coffee grounds in your garden, or how to use coffee for your plants. So today I will show you with just a little bit of coffee you can make your plants very healthy, and you can get many flowers in your flowering plants. So let's start the video. So you need 1 liter of water jug, clean water, and a Nescafe packet. So now I'm going to add the entire thing in 1 liter of water. This is organic, so you don't have to worry about it. So these are organic fertilizers, and mix it well. Let this sit for about 1 hour or 2 hours for maximum, and leave it aside before you use. So since we are using tap water for this, you can leave it for about couple of hours and directly use it on plants. So add them to the roots of the plants. For money plants or your flowering plants, this is a great booster, great fertilizer.